Good day and thank you for watching. This is Teacher Ryan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to begin a new series on audio graphing calculator tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button as well as the like and share buttons. So firstly, I'd like to tell you that I'm going to use the demo version of this app, Audio Graphing Calculator, in the course of this tutorial, and I will also be using a screen reader, the NVDA or the non-visual desktop access. So what are the features of this app? Number one is that it has a calculator screen which is similar to a regular handheld scientific calculator. Number two is that it has a graphing capability, and the graph output can be printed in both the ink printer and the braille printer. The user who is blind or low vision can also listen to the tone of the graph as being played by this application. Number three is that this app has a powerful evaluator screen. And number four, this app has an advanced matrix screen that is very useful in linear algebra and also in uh, quantitative analysis. Now, as you launch this app, you will be brought or directed to the calculator screen. And so, since I would like to show you all the 7 screens of this application, I will be using the left arrow to move to the first screen.
Speech screen. Speech tab. Wave screen. Wave tab. Plot screen. Plot tab.
The first screen is the plot screen, which allows you to modify the plotting parameters of the graph.
Wave screen.
Next is the wave screen. In this screen or tab, you can modify the settings for the audio tone of
Speech
the
screen.
graph.
Speech tab.
And the speech screen or the speech tab will allow you to turn on and off the self-voicing feature of this application.
Calculator.
Next is the calculator screen,
Data 1 screen.
data 1, and actually there are two data plotting screens,
Data 2 screen.
data 1 and data 2 screen. So here you can input a function or an equation, and you can evaluate the function and display the graph, and also even proceed to taking or evaluating statistical description of a function, particularly for regression analysis.
Evaluator.
Next, the evaluator
Matrix
screen, and finally the matrix screen. So for this first video, I'm going to zoom in on the ways on which you can maximize your use of the calculator
Evaluator.
screen. So I'll go back to the evaluator screen by pressing the left arrow. Earlier, I used the right arrow to move from one screen to another screen. Now I'm going back, so I'll use the
Data 2 screen.
left arrow.
Data 1 screen. Calculator screen.
Now to get inside this area of the application, I'll be pressing one tab.
Button. Checkbox. Inverse.
According to my screen reader, the first function there is the inverse function. So I can toggle that on and off by pressing Ctrl I, and I will be demonstrating the use of that function in my succeeding videos. So for now, I'll be showing you basic and advanced calculations, and on how this calculator screen is similar to a regular handheld scientific calculator. So first, I'll show you how to do addition, the basic operations, and firstly for positive integers, so say
3, 1,
3,
2 button.
1, 2, or 312 plus, that's
Button.
shift equals, and I will add
6 button.
6,
8, 8,
8, 8, or 688, and to get the result, I'll press the equal
display
sign.
1000.
The answer is 1000. 312 plus 600 is 1000. Now, in case you were not able to listen to the result, you can press the equal sign again,
Display 1000.
and AGC, or the audio graphing calculator, will give you the result. Now, to delete the contents or the data on your display area, you just need to press the delete key, which is also similar to the clear key on a scientific calculator.
C button.
So it says C, or the clear button. Next, I'll be subtracting.
8 button.
Have 8,
0, 1
0,
button.
1, and I'll press the hyphen or
Minus
the
button.
minus sign, and I'll
3,
press
3,
3,
9 button.
9,
6 button.
6, or 396, and I'll press the equal
Display
sign.
405.
The answer is 405. I'll press the
C.
delete key. Next, I'll multiply.
3
I
button.
have 37,
7 button.
and the multiplication sign, or the times sign, is activated by pressing shift plus number 8.
Times X button. 4 button.
49.
9 button.
So this is 37 times 49, and I'll
Display
press the
18,
equal
13.
sign. The answer is 1813.
C.
Next, I'll do division. So I have
1, 2 button.
1200,
0.
and I'll press the slash sign to toggle division, and I'll have
3
divide by
6 button.
36, and I'll press
Display
the equal sign.
33.3333.
So it has a decimal component. It's 33.333. I'll press the delete
C.
key. Now I'm going to perform operations involving integers. So I'll have
8 button.
38, that's positive 38,
Button.
plus
8 button.
89,
9 button.
but I'll make it negative 89. I'll press the
Plus
shift
minus
and letter
button.
M to toggle the plus or minus sign, and I'll press the
Display
equal
minus
sign.
51.
So the answer is minus 51, or that's negative 51.
C button.
Next, if I want to square a number, for example 35, so I press 3, 5, and I just need to press shift
X
and
button.
Q, and I'll press the equal sign to get the result, or
Display
the square of
1225.
35. 1225, or 1225.
C
I'll
button.
press the delete key. Next, I want to get the square of 99, so I
9.
press
9.
and shift
X
Q,
button. Display
and
9801.
equal sign. It's 9801. I want to get the cube of
1
15,
button.
so I'll press
5
1,
button.
5, and I'll press
X
shift and
button.
letter U,
Display
and I'll press the equal
3375.
sign. It's 3375, or 3,375.
C.
Now I want to get the square root of 9801.
8, 8 button.
9
0. 1 button.
and to the hotkey to get the square root is to press shift and
Square
letter
root.
R,
SQRT button. Display
and I'll
99.
press the equal sign. So the square root of 9801 is 99.
C button.
I'll press delete. Next, if I want to find the fifth power of 7, or 7 to the fifth, or 7 to the fifth power,
7
I'll
button.
press 7
X to
and
the
I'll
power Y.
press shift and Y. Shift Y is the same as the X to the power of Y button on a scientific calculator,
5.
and
5.
I'll press 5 since 5 is the exponent that I want to put on 7.
Button.
And
Display
I'll press
16,807.
It's 16,800.
Display 16,807. C.
I'll press delete. So those are the basic calculations, and that would be for my first video. And please stay tuned for my next video. I'll be covering some advanced calculations, particularly in trigonometric functions, and so with the other features of this application. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the like and share buttons. Until then, see you and God bless us all.